When you think of Las Vegas, kayaking on emerald green, crystal clear water probably isn't the first thing that comes to mind. But just 45 minutes outside the city, we found ourselves paddling beneath Hoover Dam, hiking to hidden hot springs and waterfalls, exploring caves, and being surrounded by towering canyon walls that felt a world away from the strip. The contrast is honestly incredible. One minute you're in the middle of the desert, and then next you're floating through calm, crystal clear water with views that feel almost unreal. If you're looking for something completely different from the typical Vegas experience, this is definitely worth adding to your list.